Good everyone, you're watching Radio Fixes. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to convert your autocomplete list to contacts and erase the list. Microsoft has removed the ability to delete a single entry from your autocomplete or suggested people list. The drop down of suggested email address you see when you start typing into the to field is no longer available in your new Outlook. Previously, there was an X to the right of the autocomplete entry that would remove it from the list. Now, the only method to get rid of incorrect or out of date autocomplete entries is to erase the whole list. So in this video, I will show you how to convert the items in your autocomplete list to contacts. So you will still have access to the email address from the autocomplete list if you need to erase it. Now, the first step is to export your autocomplete list to a CSV file. To do this, you will have to click on File at the top left corner in your new Outlook and then click on Settings. Once you're on the settings, you will have to click on the General tab. Under the General tab, on the right hand side, you will have to click on Privacy and Data. In this, you will have to scroll down to the Suggested People section. Now here, you will have to click on Download My Expanded People Data. This will download the CSV file onto your computer. So this is the suggested contacts CSV file which is downloaded onto your computer. So ideally it would be in the downloads folder. I am going to open this file directly here to the Excel. So once you open the CSV file, you will have to go ahead and modify this file. This file should have 3 columns, which is last name, email address, and notes. So what you could do is you can do a right click and then click on insert to add a column, and here you can type the name of the column as last name or name, email address, and the next column what you can write here is notes. This is for your reference. In the notes column, in case if you don't have, most of the time you wouldn't have anything here, it would be empty. What you could do is you can type here as imported from autocomplete, and you can write the date as well for your reference. So for the demonstration purpose, I'm going to name it as imported from autocomplete and fill this to the entire row so that you know these are the contacts which were imported from auto contacts. Now from this list, you are free to go ahead and delete any of the contacts which you don't need in the suggested people. You may go ahead and delete it manually, or else if you want to add anything, you can also go ahead and add manually. Once these changes are done, you will have to go ahead and save this file. You can click on File at the top left corner and then click on Save As. Browse to the location. For the demonstration purpose, I'm going to save this file onto the desktop. So it will be named as suggested_people.csv. I'm going to save this file. Once this is done, close this file, go to the people or contacts folder in your new Outlook. You can close this window, and under this you will see an option to import contacts. So click on import contacts, click on browse for a file. Since I have saved the file onto the desktop, I will click on the desktop, select the suggested people.csv and then click on open and then click on import. So this will import all the contacts from the autocomplete list or suggested people list into your contacts or a people list in your new Outlook. So the import will take about 2 to 3 minutes depending on the amount of contacts you have. In my case, I have about 643 contacts. Once the import is complete, you will see this window. You may click on OK, and this should display all the contacts into your contacts folder in your new Outlook. Basically, it would be in your people list. And here you have an option to delete the ones which you don't need, or if you want to keep. So this will display all the imported contacts. From here, you are free to send emails to the individual contacts or use any of the contacts. Once this is done, you may go back to the settings by clicking on the file at the top left corner and then click on settings and click on general and then privacy and data. If you want to delete the autocomplete list completely from your Outlook, you may click on clear data and turn off. It will prompt you saying that success, your expanded contact suggested will be cleared within 48 hours. In case if you want to revoke this action, you may close this window and then click on activate, and that should keep the contacts back. Once this is done, you may close this window and you're good to go. All of your contacts from your suggested people or the autocomplete list are imported safely into your Outlook. So this is how you can convert your autocomplete list to contacts in your new Outlook. I hope this video was useful. In case if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a great day.